InvestCorp, what is it? How can you benefit from it?
I want you to give me that. I want to know.
Emmanuel Kwame Idun, are you from Asebu or which side of Idun?
No, I'm from Cape Coast.
Cape Coast,
Yes,
okay. That's not very close, but it's fine. Idun.
Yeah.
Good to have you, Emmanuel.
Yeah, you too. Nice meeting you.
Cape Coast for 1 year.
Oh, yeah.
Bibi Ala Boko.
Oh, Bibi Aboko.
Orkodo.
Yeah.
So let's talk about the InvestCorp, right?
Yeah.
For listeners who are listening to this for the first time, what really is the mutual fund and what is invest? Let's start with InvestCorp. Who are you? What do you do?
Okay, so InvestCorp, we are an asset management company.
Okay.
We've been in the system for over 12 years now.
Mm.
And basically we manage monies
12 years.
Yes, we manage monies of funds for both individuals and institutions.
Okay.
So we have products for retail clients, we have products for institutional clients, and we also do pension fund management as well.
So
Yes.
you're a wealth management company.
Yes, an asset management company. So
Asset
basically, we manage
management.
money for everyone. And yeah,
That's nice. How does that feel? Like it would be a nice job to do, right?
it's quite stressful, but you know,
It is,
it's good, yeah.
So,
Yeah.
what are some of the key benefits, though, of investing in mutual funds? And let's start from there. What's the mutual fund all about? And what are the key benefits of investing?
Yeah, sure. So I'll start with what a mutual fund is.
Yes,
So a mutual fund is a fund designed to pool monies from investors, various investors, and it's assigned to a professional fund manager who then invests the monies in various selected securities.
Okay.
In Ghana, we have mainly two main different types of mutual funds. We have fixed income funds, and then we have equity funds.
Okay.
So fixed income funds invest in fixed income instruments like treasury bills, fixed deposits, etc. And the equity funds invest in companies that are listed on the stock exchange. Yeah. So those are the two.
So
main
basically,
types
that's what it is. So
Yes.
walk us through the different types of mutual funds available and how they suit different financial goals in particular.
Okay, right. Yeah, good. Thanks. So I'll speak about the money market fund. So the money market fund is designed to assist clients invest towards their short-term goals.
Right.
So we invest in mainly instruments like treasury bills, fixed deposits, etc. So let's say, for example, you want to invest towards your rent, you want to invest towards school fees, you want to invest towards vehicle maintenance expenses, etc. The money market fund is ideal for you. Okay, yes. And then the other one is our active equity fund. The active equity fund invests in companies listed on both the Ghana Stock Exchange and some selected global securities as well. So if you invest in the active equity fund, you have both global exposure and local exposure as well. So a few companies I can mention, like we invest in MTN, GCB, and then on the foreign exchange as well, we have Nvidia, Meta, Alphabet, etc. as well. Yes.
That's interesting. These are critical because lots of the times we hear people talk about letting your money work for you even while you sleep.
Exactly.
So this is what it means, right?
Yeah.
Your money will be working for you. Someone's job is to look out for the best options on the market and place your money there for you. So it's good. So how does InvestCorp then work behind the scenes to help grow clients' investments so that you deliver good returns through the funds? Because Abeku and I tell every day we search money giddy. So how you do that?
Okay. I can't reveal all our secrets, but I'll just give you a small.
Give me small.
Okay. So basically, what we do is that we scout, we continually monitor the market, we monitor economic trends, conditions, we scout the market, and we make sure we invest the funds in securities that are number one, safe, where we know that our clients, when we invest the money for them, they'll actually get their money back. And then number two, obviously, also in securities that also give good returns. Okay, so for example, at the moment with short-term or money market funds at the moment, rates are quite low.
Right.
But obviously, if you're investing towards a short-term goal, that one is okay, or that's quite suitable.
Right.
Currently, at the moment as well, in terms of the equity markets, the stock exchange is doing very, very well. Okay, so if you have a long-term goal, for example, then the equity fund will also be quite ideal for you as well. Yeah.
Does it matter how much one invests? Does the quantum matter or the constancy matter? Which of it is
okay?
important?
So I mean,
both is.
No, I think it's more about the consistency.
Okay.
So, for example, if you know you have a goal, maybe a long-term goal, you want to invest towards your building project, you want to invest towards a land you want to purchase, for example. Okay, so with the mutual fund, you don't need to start with a lump sum. You can start with at least as little as 100 Ghana cedis and above on a monthly basis. You can be topping up towards your goal. Okay, and once you are consistent, definitely as a compound interest also comes to your money also grow quite quickly as well. Yes. So that's the ideal
scenario. But if someone is listening, they've had some windfall, some lump sum, and they're looking for what to do with that.
Yes.
These days, the thing is, okay, they buy land, they're safe and all of that, but there are land grabs too. So,
of course, there are lots of risks involved.
Besides the consistent ones, monthly ones, if someone has a lump sum, they want to get they are thinking of which investment portfolio to put their money into. We will come to you eventually, but what would you advise while we listen to you now?
Okay, so I mean, if you have a lump sum, let's say 10,000, 50,000, 100,000 and above, depending on what your goal is, you know, we can then, InvestCorp can then recommend the right investment instruments or securities to invest in, or the right mutual funds to invest in. So like I mentioned earlier, if your goal is more short term, like school fees, rent, vehicle maintenance, those kind of expenses, then the money market fund would be ideal. You can just put in the lump sum in. We have an app, so with our app, you can just monitor the performance of your investment. Oh, it's on the Google Play Store and the App Store, InvestCorp. If you look for InvestCorp mobile app, yes.
Invest with C-O-R-P.
Yes, Invest
Once
C-O-R-P.
we go there, we'll be able to follow.
See our app. Yes,
I like that. I like that. Okay. So, one thing I like about all your responses is that you're saying that all the investment options that you advise your clients on are tied to their goals.
Exactly.
Whether it's short term, medium term, or long term.
Yes.
So all of that you advise your people.
Yes. Because generally speaking, the market, a lot of people like to look at returns. Returns are good. But sometimes the returns, it fluctuates. It depends on market conditions, etc. So, but if you have a defined goal that you are investing towards, no matter the market conditions, you know that you always benefit from the investment. So just a typical example, currently the stock market is doing very well. 2 or 3 years ago, it was not doing well, right? But those who knew that they were investing towards a long-term goal and invested in the equity fund, for example, I mean, they are now benefiting a lot. You get it? Yeah. So the idea is to focus on your goal, and definitely InvestCorp will assist you to reach that goal.
In the past, some people got their fingers bent, putting their monies in some places, and it's giving them some, a lot of caution when we have conversations like this. But is there a lot more confidence in the system now that you would encourage all to put their money?
Yes. I mean, a lot of confidence has returned to the financial markets in general. And also now, because of the regulator is also more strict and all that. So once you are working with a company that's licensed by the right regulator, InvestCorp, for example, we are licensed by both the Securities and Exchange Commission and the National Pension Regulatory Authority. So once you are dealing with a licensed company, you have no issues at all. You know that your money is always safe.
Fantastic. InvestCorp, where can we find you? Where are you?
Okay, so we are located at Jolu behind Fiesta Royale. Okay. But I'll give out 2 numbers, our landline and then our WhatsApp number.
Please go ahead.
So our WhatsApp number is 050-155-6870. So that the WhatsApp 050-155-6870.
Okay.
And our landline is 030-250-9045. So that's 030-250-9045.
Are you online as well?
Yes, we are online. InvestCorpGH.com as well. Yes, that's our website. So if anyone wants to reach out to us, we can reach out to us through our WhatsApp line or our landline.
Fantastic. What's your final call to action?
So I'll just say that for anyone out there who has a goal, who has an objective, kindly call us, send us a WhatsApp message, speak to us so that we can guide you on how to reach your goal.
Fantastic. Kwamina Idun, Emmanuel Kwamina Idun. You are AVP. What's that?
Basically, I'm the head of sales and distribution.
No, the head is big indeed for a big for a big position. Big man. Emmanuel Kwamina Idun, head of sales and distribution for InvestCorp. Thank you for coming through, and we wish you so much. All the best with all that you do. Guys, call the number. Let me mention it again: 050-155-6870. 050-155-6870. And we should say we want to talk to you, right? Because
yes, I mean, any member of our team will assist you.
Good. Emmanuel Kwamina Idun, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.